Myself, Shedge Ravina, Assistant Professor, Department of BBA CA, Mula Education Society, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Sone. I talk about operating system, and in this video I explain you some basic concepts of operating system. Now let's see the introduction of operating system. An operating system is a software program or set of programs that mediate access between physical devices such as a keyboard, mouse, monitor, disk driver or network connection, and application programs such as a word processor, World Wide Web browser or electronic mail client. Means operating system is work as a mediator. Operating system is work as a middleman between the physical devices and the application program. The operating system is a program that controls the execution of application programs and acts as an interface between applications and the computer hardware. We will also say the operating system is work as an interface. Operating system is provide interface between the application program and the computer hardware part, means physical devices. There are many operating systems. Some example of operating system are DOS operating system, Linux operating system, Unix operating system and Windows operating system. Some of the popular operating system are DOS, Unix, Windows 3.x, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows NT, NetWare. The computer system can be divided into four components. First component is hardware, second component is application program, third component is operational user and fourth component is end user. Now next point is need of operating system. After understanding the operating system, what is the need of operating system? The main feature of operating system is to execute multiple programs in interleave fashion or different time cycle called multiple programming system, means multi-programming. Because of operating system, we use a feature multi-programming, multiprocessing, etc. That's why operating system is needed for use the feature multi-programming, multiprocessing, multitasking. Second, easy user interaction. Because of operating system, user can easily interact with computers and user easily use the computer system. That's why operating system is needed. Third, it helps the user in understand the inner function of computer. Because of operating system, user can also understand the inner functioning of computer and inner functions of computer. Next point is objective of operating system. There are three objectives of operating system. First is convenience. An operating system makes a computer more convenient for the use. Second, efficiency. An operating system allows the computer system resources to be used in an efficient manner. Third, ability to evolve. An operating system should be constructed in such a way as to provide effective development testing and introduction of new system functions without interfacing with service. These are the objectives of operating system. Now the definition of operating system. An operating system is a computer program that manages the resources of a computer. It accepts keyboard or mouse input from user and displays the result of action and allows the user to run applications or communicate with other computers via network connection. An operating system is a computer program that manages the resources of a computer. It accepts keyboard or mouse inputs from user and displays the result of action and allows the user to run applications or communicate with other computers via network connection. Another definition is also available. Operating system is a set of computer programs that hardware and software resources of a computer system. We can add to that definition or say that an operating system rationally processes electronic devices in response to approve commands. Operating system is a process on instructions and approve the commands. That's why it is also called as electronic devices in a response approved commands. Next point is characteristics of operating system. So some of the characteristics of an operating system are: first is multitasking, whether the multiple programs can run on it simultaneously, that is called as multitasking. At the same time we use the multiple applications, it is called as multitasking. For example, at a time one single user uses different applications. At a time one user on single computer uses word processor, notepad, and in background play the music. So it do the multitasking. Second is multiprocessing, whether it can take advantages of multiple processors. At a time in single memory and in single storage devices we use a multiple processors and multiple CPUs. Whether user can run program on it simultaneously, that is called as multi-user. At the same time multiple users use same application or same program, it is called as multi-user system. Next is graphic supports. Because of operating system, computer provide the graphic supports. The main characteristics of operating system and most important and useful characteristics of operating system is graphic supports. Because of graphic support, user can easily use the computers and user can easily execute the difficult program and handle difficult situation and solve the difficult problems. Next is network support. It is also the important characteristics of operating system. So whether it has a built-in support of network connection. Using network connection we can connect multiple computers as well as we can connect multiple devices. Next point is basic functions of operating system. First is there are 6 basic functions of operating system. First is task scheduler. The task scheduler is able to allocate the execution of the CPU to the number of different tasks. Task scheduler functioning to allocation of given process. The work of task scheduler is to allocate the execution of CPU to the number of different tasks. It allocates CPU for different tasks. It schedules the CPU for different tasks and different processes. Second is memory management. So the memory manager controls the system RAM. Operating system also manage the memory. So it will be its function memory management. Third is a disk manager. It creates and maintains the directories and files on the disk. It is also the function of operating system and the disk manager, file maintenance, file creations, directories maintenance. This functioning do from the operating system. Fourth is a network manager. The network manager controls all the data moving between the computers and the network connection. So network connection is the characteristics of operating system. That's why the functioning of network manager is the function of operating system. Fifth is input output service manager. The operating system manage all the input and output devices like keyboard, mouse, printers, etc. Sixth is security management. The operating system maintains the security information in the computer files. So security manager is also the functioning of operating system, is also the function of operating system. It manages the security and it provides the security for computer files. Next point is names of operating system. There are many operating systems are introduced, but some of the important and main operating systems we will see with the introducing year. First operating system is Unix. Unix operating system is introduced in 1969. Next is MS-DOS. So MS-DOS operating system is introduced in 1981. Next is Linux. So the Linux operating system is introduced in 1991. Next is Windows 95. So in 1995, Windows 95 was introduced and the name given is Windows 95. In 1989, one operating system, the advanced version of Windows is introduced and the name given, that is Windows 98. Next, in 1999, one more advanced version of Windows is introduced and the name given is Windows NT. Then next, in 2000, one more advanced version of Windows operating system is introduced and the name given is Windows 2000. In 2001, Windows XP, one more advanced version of operating system is introduced. In 2006, one more advanced version of Windows operating system is introduced, that is Windows Vista. In 2009, one more advanced version of Windows operating system is used, that is Windows 7. And in today, multiple users and multiple computer users use this Windows 7 operating system. Windows 7 operating system is more user friendly and easy for any users. In 2010, Windows 10 operating system are introduced. There are multiple operating system are introduced after 1950 to year 2021. So these are the some of the useful operating system or main operating system we discussed.